OPPO Mag accessories revealed. OPPO Mag case with OPPO AirVook 50W magnetic charger and OPPO 80W magnetic power bank. OPPO will launch the Find X8 series on October 24th with OPPO Find X8, Find X8 Pro, and we already know what the phones will look like. Now OPPO share official teaser video. Find X8 and Find X8 Pro. The Find X8 and Find X8 Pro smartphones will have similar designs, but only the Pro will get the quick capture button. OPPO Find X8 comes starry black, breeze blue, and light white. The Find X8 Pro's front camera remains a 32-megapixel Sony IMX615, while the rear camera system consists of a 50-megapixel LYT800 sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 ultrawide sensor, a 50-megapixel LYT600 3x periscope telephoto lens with OIS, and an additional 50-megapixel IMX858 6x periscope telephoto lens with OIS. The X8 Pro features Hasselblad portrait modes, including soft light portrait and Fuji filters. The OPPO Find X8 Pro features 6.78-inch BOE micro-quad curved display, also featuring a 120Hz refresh rate, 4500 nits maximum brightness, and 2160Hz PWM dimming. In terms of performance, the Find X8 is likely to feature MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chipset, including a 16GB LPDDR5X RAM with the ColorOS 15 based Android 15. The battery capacity is 5910 mAh with 80W wired and 50W magnetic wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.